won All-American honors in both positions. His versatility was an invaluable asset to the men's soccer program, and as Jay noted in the program, his talent contributed to the growth of the Ohio Wesleyan program. There are not many freshmen, athletes, especially in Jay's program, who can say that they were major contributors on any team, let alone a national championship team. When he made the move to midfield, he was named NCAC Offensive Player of the Year, another accomplishment that is hard to achieve after just 1 year. During his 4 years, Ohio Wesleyan was 78-16-2, with 4 conference championships, a national championship, 2 national semifinal appearances, and 3 national quarterfinal appearances. He is truly one of the most decorated student athletes in Ohio Wesleyan soccer history. Ladies and gentlemen, Philip Hoffman.